Hi guys, it's Mike here from KS Bushcraft Down Under. Today I thought I'd do a knife review, because we all enjoy a good knife review, of the Swiss Army Soldier knife, 1908 model. So I've got two of these, one made by Wenger, one made by Victorinox. They're both 1908 models. My Wenger dates from 1942, and my Victorinox from 1949. Now, originally when they were supplied to the guys in the army, they came with a nice little neck pouch. These guys are getting pretty thin on the ground. Okay, so they're 100mm long. They weigh in 125 grams. They aren't stainless blades and tools. They're nickel plated, and it's a really fabulous size. It really is. I mean, they're simple enough tools. The tools are the same on both of them. The rim is rounded and has a nice sharp edge on it, so it'll certainly work well on a ferro rod. Now, they'll be the only model of Swiss Army knives that I know of that have a clip point blade. And it's a good size, it really is. It's a good solid lock. The screwdriver is very simple. There's no cap lifters, there's nothing else. But quite nicely made flat blade screwdriver. And the can opener is a real little brute. Not the most elegant of can openers, I can tell you, but it does work. Once you get it in, it's probably the hardest part. And it will work. I must admit, that's one thing that they certainly improved in the later ones, but effective. So, in this 1908 series, it was still a cottage industry. So there's Wenger, Victorinox, and a few other German makers. So now I noticed between my two, the Victorinox has a different colour scale pattern on it. Now my Victorinox one is stamped with a P, so this is a private issue one, so not a military issue one. I've heard some people say that they stamped them after doing military service, then I find that's a bit odd. Now, the two of them, the Victorinox one, definitely appears to have brass rivets, and the Wenger seem to be nickel rivets. I also noticed that, well, the camera can pick that up, the Wenger one is cracked on both sides through this middle rivet, whereas the Victorinox ones with the brass rivets isn't cracked on any of them. So I've cleaned both of these with a buffing wheel, so that's why they're nice and shiny, and they're still really serviceable bushcrafting knives, and sort of cool. Anyway, hope you found that interesting, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.